Ranchi Station. The railways cancelled many trains from January 27 to 29. Also, some train routes have been changed. These trains will be effective. 3,331 Dhanbad Patna Intercity cancelled on the 27th of January. The 27th of January 13,332 Patna Dhanbad Intercity was cancelled. On January 28, 12,317 Kolkata Amritsar Akal Takht Express will pass through Asansol, Dhanbad and Gaya. On January 28, 08440 Patna-Puri Special train will run Gaya, Dhanbad and Asansol instead of Jajha, Jasidih and Asansol. 28 January, 17,006 Raxaul-Hyderabad Express will pass through Kiul, Bhagalpur, Rampurhat, Andal, Asansol and Dhanbad. 28 January, 13,320 Dumka Ran Intercity will be delayed by 1 hour 30 minutes. Other trains were cancelled from 27 to 29 hours. 13,029 Howrah Mokama Express cancelled on the 27th of January. 43538 Jasidih-Andal Passenger 27 has been cancelled. 43676 Jasidih-Asansol Memo 27 cancelled. On January 28, 18,183 Tata RR Express will run from Tata to Asansol. On January 28, 18,184, a non-Tata Express will run from Asansol to Tata. 42023 Howrah Patna Superfast Special 28 January has been cancelled. 42024 Patna Howrah Superfast Special 28 January is cancelled. 43681 Asansol Jasidih Passenger cancelled on the 28th of January. 43682 Jasidih Asansol Passenger cancelled on the 28th of January. 43539 Andal Jasidih Passenger 28 cancelled. 43675 Asansol Jajha Passenger 28 has been cancelled. 43677 Asansol Jasidih Passenger 28 has been cancelled. 13,030 Mokama Howrah Express cancelled on 29. On 28, 13,105 Selda Balia Express will be delayed by 3 hours. On 28, 15,049 Kolkata Gorakhpur Express will be delayed by 2 hours 15 minutes. On 28, 12,361 Asansol Mumbai Express will be delayed by 1 hour and 15 minutes. 28 January, 13,021 Howrah Raxaul Mithila Express will be delayed by 30 minutes. On 28, 12,375 Tambaram Jasidih Express will be delayed by 30 minutes. 28 43563 Asansol Jasidih Memu